I found that photo in the sofa, and it's from way back in '01. So I guess there's much I never told you, like who, where I've been and where I came from. Grew up on 913 of Blue Rock, memories of kids running around those halls, and out in the California sunshine, we wore no shoes through added windows, throwing baseballs. Mom packed me a brown bag every day, from 5 years old up to 18. Had for an old guitar. It broke Dad's heart, but he still loved me, and he was there at every show. No more jersey, just tuxedo.